Test your knowledge with our fun nature and science quiz. Welcome to our nature and science quiz. Let's see how much you know about the world. Question 1. What is the largest planet in our solar system? Pause for 3 seconds. Write your answer in the comments. Pause for 5 seconds. The answer is Jupiter. Did you get it right? Question 2. What is the process by which plants make their food? Pause for 3 seconds. Type your answer below. The answer is photosynthesis. How many did you get right so far? Like and subscribe for more fun science challenges. See you next time.